in this video I am going to tell about how loops helps you to print list items by help of index numbers. So in previous video I already tells about how loops are used to print the list items. In this video only I am helps to print list items by help of index. So here we have to use two functions, that is the range functions and that is the length function. By help of the length and the range, and it will suitable to print the list items on inside console. So let's start. I will declare one list, list list 5. Okay, and inside the list 5, 1 2 3 4 5 comma 1.1.2 comma 1.3, and inside the list I have to going to print for I in range length, that is list 5 colon print, that is list 5, that is define the I. Okay, and it will helps you to print. So here 1 2 3 4 5, so this apple mango orange for the previous program. Okay, I will also already making the video on this particular concept, how for loop used to print list items inside the console. But in this video I am only helps you to print that for loop by help of that for loop through index numbers and print on inside console. So here I have to use the print, which will be helps you to better understand. So here 1 2 3 4 5 1.2 1.3, these are the list items are going to be print here. 1 2 3 4 5 1.2 and 1.3. So very easy. Okay, and how the indexes are helps you to print the items by help of the for loop. Okay, if you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.